Just real quick, I wanted to do a real quick follow-up and about what in the other video, because I seemingly was breathing very heavy. That was mainly because I made that video right after I did walking. As you can tell, I'm a little more rested now. And also, for some reason, this laptop is amplifying that noise of breathing. Even though I was breathing, that would be heavy breathing, I would say, um, at least slightly. But you see the way I'm breathing now, like I can't hear myself as well. This is why you want to film yourself often when you're trying to get in shape and do some kind of fitness project for yourself, because you may not notice a lot of things that you do on video. Even though, see, I just breathe. That's going to come out. That's going to reflect as really loud. It's emphasized. My breathing is. I'm just taking nice deep breaths. But in the previous video, I could definitely see I was out of breath. So I just wanted to address that. I'm okay. I'm better. I'm a little more calm. You see, I'm breathing normally. I don't have an issue. I'm not a smoker. Take care.